A master degree in finance is a great investment in your future, but it isn't one that should be made lightly. If you want a graduate finance program that pays off in dividends, it's hard to beat the proven quality of the Master of Science in Finance program at the Gies College of Business. Hi, I'm Xin Gao, Director of the Master of Science in Finance program at Gies Business. The Gies Business MSF program is a STEM-designated 3-semester graduate program that offers a comprehensive, flexible, and innovative curriculum. But you will get so much more than a great education at Gies Business. Here are just a few ways you will benefit from the MSF program. The finance faculty at Gies Business are leading researchers in their respective fields. They will provide you with a learning experience grounded in advanced finance knowledge. In the MSF program, you won't just be building a strong foundation in asset pricing. You'll be engaging with cutting-edge financial theories and applied research methods.
I was confident I could land a good job, but I wanted more than that. I was curious to dive deeper into finance and figure out what part of it really drives me. It's such a big field, and I wanted a space to explore it while building the skills that would actually matter in the long run. The MSF program at Gies gave me that space.
With a variety of specializations to choose from, the MSF program offers so many opportunities for you to explore your interests and prepare for a wide range of careers. The MSF program gives you so many opportunities to apply what you are learning in the classroom, so you can launch your career with confidence. In the Finance Practicum course, you will work with your peers to tackle modern business challenges for real-world corporate clients.
The professors at Gies Business have a wide range of expertise, and the curriculum is intentionally designed to give you a practical work experience as well. For instance, in my practicum course, I helped manage a $500,000 portfolio for a client. I learned so much from that experience, and it has helped me grow as a finance professional.
You can also prepare for CFA licensure through opportunities to manage investment portfolios. And you will build strong technical skills you will need to conduct rigorous financial analysis. Even if you enter the program without prior experience, you will graduate with strong coding and programming abilities, as well as in-depth training in data management, data analytics, machine learning, risk modeling, and financial modeling. You will also become familiar with topics in the fintech sector, including blockchain, cryptocurrencies, digital payments, and other financial technologies. The MSF program at Gies Business will open so many doors for your future, and it can also help you decide which doors to step through. The outstanding professional development programs at Gies Business enhance your career preparation, helping you build professional networks, prepare strong resumes, and sharpen your interview skills. We also host career fairs that will allow you to meet with potential employers, so you can find careers aligned to your passions and interests. You will also have access to the MSF Academy, a series of courses that emphasize career preparation for the finance industry. Between the excellence of our leading finance faculty, our focus on applied learning and advanced skill building, and our unparalleled career support, you won't just get a great education. You will graduate from the Master of Science in Finance program with experience and confidence to lead and make impact in the world of business.